HobbyKidsTV.
Hey Hobby Kids, it's Hobby Mac, and I'm here with, there he is, I'm here with HobbyTiger, and we have this awesome new Lego Star Wars set.
The Kylo Ren's command shuttle. It has 1,005 pieces.
Whoa!
Yeah, the biggest I ever got. Also, its age is 9 to 14. It's number 75104. This Lego set comes with 6 minifigs. The awesomest character is, of course, Kylo Ren. Kylo Ren comes with his mask and his hood, and also his awesome lightsaber. The First Order Stormtrooper, 2 First Order crew, General Hux, and the First Order officer. Let's show the back of the box. Whippity-dippity-doo, I used the fire, someone. Okay. That thing comes up. I think it's like the little windshield kind of thing. The missiles launch. The wings move, go like dur, 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 dur. Still a lot of cool features.
Let's get started.
Yeah!
Holy moly.
Well, it comes with an instruction booklet, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes. I mean, 9 bags.
Whoa now.
Look how thick that instruction booklet is, and look how, really, this thing is huge.
Many hours later,
I finished my Kylo Ren command shuttle. This ship is really cool. Here's some really cool features. When you turn this, the wings go up. Another cool feature is that this hood goes up. There's a ton of space in there. And boosters are still really cool. Also, these go up and down. Also, as a door underneath the ship, so I can get in and out. And if you look closely, you can see these can move. Another one of the features is that when you push down right here, the missile goes out. Booyah! Let's fire at Kylo Ren! Now let's fire at a stormtrooper! Awesome! Give us a big thumbs up if you are going to watch the new Star Wars movie.
Parents, subscribe for the world's best shows with learning fun. And don't forget, you can press the little info button in the top right corner to keep the hobby fun going. You don't want to miss another episode, so come on, press that button now.